In this video, I'll tell you how you can remove viruses, malware, and adware from your Windows PC or laptop and clean it up properly. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. The first tool you can use is Malwarebytes in the free trial version. It is a good tool for scanning your computer, especially if you think something suspicious is running in the background. In Malwarebytes, go to Scan and Detections, enable all the available options, and then run a deep scan. After that, open Windows Security and check your firewall, real-time protection, and protection updates. You should also run a full scan in Windows Security to check the whole system. Another tool you can use is MRT, which is the Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. Next, make sure Windows is fully updated through Windows Update because updates can help close security problems and improve protection. After scanning the system, clean your browsers too. Update the browser, remove extensions you do not trust or do not use, clear history if needed, and check the startup page and search engine settings. Adware often changes browser settings, so this step is important. You should also remove unnecessary apps from installed apps and open Task Manager to disable startup apps you do not need. After using Malwarebytes, you can uninstall it if you do not want to keep another program on your computer. If the problems still continue, you can reset Windows while keeping your files or fully clean the computer through recovery and a factory reset. That's the full cleanup path. Start with scans and browser cleanup first, then move to Windows reset only if the system is still acting suspicious. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.